Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Wednesday, October 2nd. Well, good times are here again for one day anyway. Stocks had a huge surge yesterday, up 15 and a quarter in the E-mini S&P, 1689. The high yesterday was 1692 with a low of 1675. So an upside breakout, 0.8% gain in the S&P. Dow futures added 74, 15,120. The big mover were tech shares. The NASDAQ, new decade plus highs yesterday at 32.53 was the high, closed at 32.45 and a half, up 36 and a half points, gain of 1% on the relief rally. We saw the dollar index drifting lower, 8025, new relative lows in the session yesterday, actually last night, the night before, 79.95 was a low, so moved below 80 for the first time since February. The euro currency made some relative highs. 135.91 was a high. If it breaks above 136, you could see a 4-point move technically to 140. That market closed at 135.33 yesterday, up 6. Bonds drifted lower with the stocks rallying, down 12 at 133. And crude was also a little bit lower, down 29 cents at 102.04. The low was 101, the high was 102.50. So it's drifting lower, but it's really having trouble pushing down. And that 100 level is a psychological support to keep an eye on. Looking at gold, gold was off big, down $40, 12.86 yesterday. Yesterday's low was 12.82, big unwinding in gold. So after a big up day yesterday, where do things stand on this Wednesday morning starting a new trading day? Well, guess what? Bang, we're back down. We're down 12 and a half in the S&P right now at 1677. Yesterday's low again was 1675. Keep an eye on that on a closing basis. We're down 87 in the Dow futures, 15,032. So we're down about 0.5% across the board. Also the NASDAQ, which made new decade plus highs. We can't lose perspective of that yesterday. Down 18 and a half at 32.27. So there's still some inherent strength in the stock market, even with this nonsense. Looking at the dollar is 8022 down 3. Euro's relatively quiet here, 135.25. Bonds are up 9 ticks, so we've got stocks selling off, but bonds are only up 9, so we're not seeing a big flight there. 133.08 is the last trade in treasuries for the 30-year. Crude oil is off 20 cents at 101.84. And lastly, gold, after getting hit hard yesterday, back below that 1,300 pivot, right now is at 12.96, up 9. Keep an eye on $1,300 an ounce in gold on a weekly closing basis. That's what we're looking for to see what happens. All right, so to wrap up the action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're giving back a lot of our gains from yesterday. We're down 12 and a half points at 1677 in the E-mini S&P, and we're down 87 at 15,032 in the Dow futures as we stand. I will see you early Thursday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.